Welcome. Today we're bringing you a complete beginner's guide to TradingView, the world's most popular charting and technical analysis platform used by millions of traders worldwide. Whether you're trading stocks, crypto, forex, or futures, TradingView provides everything you need for advanced market analysis. Let's get you started in just 3 minutes. TradingView is a cloud-based charting platform that provides real-time market data, advanced technical analysis tools, customizable indicators, and the ability to create and run custom trading strategies using PineScript. Access thousands of markets globally, collaborate with a community of traders, and test your trading ideas with professional-grade backtesting tools. You can start completely free with access to essential charting tools, indicators, and PineScript functionality, perfect for beginners getting their feet wet in technical analysis. Step 1. Creating your account. Visit TradingView.com and click Get Started in the top right corner. Sign up using email, Google, Apple, or social media accounts. The process takes less than a minute. Verify your email, and you're in. The free plan includes unlimited charts, essential indicators, and the PineScript editor for strategy development. Welcome to your TradingView dashboard, your command center for market analysis, charting, and strategy testing. Let's explore the interface. The top toolbar contains drawing tools, indicators, chart settings, and time frame selectors. Everything you need for technical analysis. The search bar at the top lets you instantly load any market. Type BTCUSD for Bitcoin, AAPL for Apple stock, thousands of symbols at your fingertips. Switch between candlestick, bar, line, and Heikin-Ashi chart types. Change timeframes from 1-second charts to monthly views with a single click. The right panel shows market data and news. The bottom panel displays watch lists, alerts, and strategy performance. We'll explore this in detail shortly. Adding indicators is effortless. Click Indicators at the top, search for RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, or any of thousands of built-in indicators and add them instantly to your chart. Customize each indicator's parameters, colors, and display settings by clicking the Settings gear icon. Layer multiple indicators to create comprehensive analysis setups. The left toolbar provides drawing tools for trend lines, support and resistance levels, Fibonacci retracements, and chart patterns. These visual tools help identify trading opportunities and market structure. Now here's where most beginners hit a wall: creating custom trading strategies in PineScript. Traditional PineScript coding requires programming knowledge and hours of development time. That's where PineGen AI changes everything. PineGen AI lets you create professional PineScript strategies in seconds using simple natural language. No coding required. Simply describe your strategy in plain English, and PineGen AI generates complete professional PineScript code instantly with integrated backtesting and live chart preview. Back to TradingView. Click Pine Editor at the bottom to open the PineScript coding interface. This is where you'll deploy strategies created with tools like PineGen AI. Paste your PineScript code into the editor, click Save to name your strategy, then click Add to Chart. Your strategy instantly appears, with visual signals, indicators, and performance metrics on the chart. You'll see entry and exit markers, custom indicators, and complete strategy visualization running on real-time market data. Open the Strategy Tester tab at the bottom to analyze performance. You'll see comprehensive metrics including total return, win rate, profit factor, maximum drawdown, and detailed trade history. The equity curve shows strategy performance over time. Adjust parameters, test different time frames, and optimize across various markets, all within TradingView's powerful backtesting engine. By the way, PineGen AI includes this backtesting feature built right into the platform, so you can test before you deploy. You're now ready to use TradingView. Navigate the interface, analyze markets with indicators, deploy PineScript strategies, and backtest your trading ideas with professional tools. Combine TradingView's powerful charting with PineGen AI's instant strategy creation for the ultimate trading development workflow. Subscribe for more trading tutorials and happy analyzing.